5 Best Coffee Maker to Buy in 2017. Number 1. Gustino Premier Automatic Coffee Maker. This product has some interesting specifications. Water tank, 250 milliliters. Heating time: 80s. Materials: SU/ABS/PC. Input power: 220 to 240 volts, 50/60 H. Number 2. HomeGeek 220 to 240 volts household drip coffee maker. Specifications. Brand name: HomeGeek. Material: PP plus ceramic. Voltage: 220 to 240 volts/50 Hz. Working time: 3-5 minutes. Number 3. Mini Manual Portable Coffee Maker. Specifications of this product. Brand name: eWorld. Classification: pump pressure. Operation method: manual. Certification: CE, CB. Number 4. Hand Press 350 ml Best Coffee Machine. Specifications. Brand name: Warm 2. Capacity: 3 cups. Housing material: plastic. Color: black, transparent color. Number 5. 220 to 240 volts drip coffee makers. Specifications. Certification: RoHS, EMC, CE, AL, GS, CB, LFGB. Capacity: cup, 2 cups. Operation method: full automatic. Use office, home, hotel, etc. Check description below for price and details. Thanks for watching. If you loved this video, please share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.